So I want to look at a few Edmodo basics. So of course the very first thing is how to log in. So we start by, on your browser, you type www.edmodo.com. Then after you get to the next screen, you choose log in, not sign up, log in. Make sure you choose log in. So once you are here, forget about log in with Google, forget about log in with Microsoft. We go to username, and then you type your email, the login details I sent you on WhatsApp, your email, the school email, and the password that I gave you. Once you have put those two in, your email, the school email, and your password, then you click login. Then once you log in, you come to the home page of Edmodo. The home page will have at the top home, classes, discover, library, messages. So at home, on the left panel, you will see your name, the school, and then your classes, right? Right now, that's all that is there. If you needed to create a class or join a class, you would click on these three dots. Then you create a class or join a class, or etc. But right now we have created all the classes for you, so you don't need to think about that. Then in the middle here, we have a feed, just like in Facebook. There's a feed of all the things posted by people to you in the school ecosystem, by the students if you allow them to post, etc. So they are not class specific. So for example, here I'd already posted some things here. You can see uh, the post here, Edmodo Basics. It's a quiz, so it shows up here. Watch the video, then answer the questions. Then again, you see another one there is the same thing, and another one, and another one, and then an assignment there also appearing there. And then you have this post that I created. So you see it has all the information as they appear, okay, as they appear in the central feed, including from other people, right? Like here, Delton has sent something, Ochieno replied, etc., right? So in the middle there, you post the posting. That's what it has, right? Don't bother too much with this. These are external links, so don't bother too much with them. Then your notifications will be here. So any time something happens, a student joins or sends you a message, you'll have a notification here. Like here, I'm told this fellow has joined my class, right? So you'll see anytime you see a number there, it's a notification. Just attend to it, like the way WhatsApp tells you how many messages you have, etc. So if I click on them, and then I deal with them and they disappear, right? Okay, now let's wait for the thing to load. So home now, when we go back home here, when we are dealing with our classes, we have to deal with them inside. So we go to class, like here now, training class. That's like English 8, whatever it is. So I click on training class. I deal with my class in that way. Then as you can see, there's a code here. This code is what is a private code. It shouldn't be shared with anyone. It's what helps the students join your particular class. Each class has a unique code. You don't have to worry about it because we are going to admit the students into the classrooms for you. But it's good to know that that's how you join a class. In fact, if you wanted to join somebody else's class so that you see how what he's doing, you would ask him for the code and then you'd see how he's running his class. So now when we look at these posts, you see that they're all specific to training class. Training class, right? They're all specific to training class. There are no stray posts. All the posts are relevant to the class because they were sent to the class. There are no external posts, right? Okay. Now in this section, I would rather we gave instructions, yeah, or shared work. But the problem is, uh, posts are not strictly speaking for giving work because they are not actionable, right? A student cannot reply to a post. So the post, you tell the student to do something else, like do this assignment, or do this quiz, right? But it shouldn't really by itself be the work, yeah. So an example that I'd give